Morning guys, back on the job today. We're going to do some coving. Let's have a look. So we've already started marking a couple of lines on top and bottom. And this is a coving. Hang on, I'll show you. So that's the coving we're using. I think it's 165mm. You see that? It's got a nice angle on it. So that's the one we're going to be fitting, but I ain't got a big enough mitre block, so I'm going to have to pick one up in a minute. But I've just skimmed this morning. Just got that ceiling in this morning, so it's about dinner time, so we're going to pick up a coving block, a wider one, because mine's too small. I think mine's for the 130 Summit one. We'll do that, and then we'll crack on and see if we can get this coved this afternoon. So we've got those lines drawn on that, and then we're just going to put some pins in to sit coving on. So this is coving block I've picked up, and you want to have it so the writing is facing up. So that's how it's going to go on the wall. It's a little bit back at wall, look, so it's facing that way. And then this here, the lip here needs to be flush with the back square. So I've just got to put these blocks on so it's holding it like that. And then when you cut in the internal corners, you need the bottom of the corner is the longest, and then as it goes back to the roof, it gets shorter. So you want to be cutting it from that mitre like that, so it's longer that way. And that's it. Just iron it in because it's a bit small, this block. That's it, like that, and then when the other one goes on and all this upside down, it'll go like that and give you a nice square corner. Yeah, so because this is the foam one, we're just using the super cove, lightweight coving, instead of mixing the stuff, so this should on it easy. You don't need tons of it. So we've got it all glued up and there's pins are in. And all we have to do is sit it in the corner. Yeah, you good, Tim?
Yeah.
And then press it up. That's it, I've got it right in the corner there. And just push it up. Then all you've got to do, wet sponge, nice clean wet sponge, which we haven't even got, have we? We're going to have to get one. And then sponge it up, and then we'll do the next piece. The second piece glued up, I'll put some glue on mitre as well. So we're ready for the second one. See how she fits. Right, squeeze it to me, Tim. More. There we go. Give that a sponge, it should be good. Let's get a sponge. That's it, that's the 2 pieces in. We've just got to carry on and get the rest of it in. Squeeze it to me. So we've got it round to there at a minute, and then now we've got an external corner. So that's it like that, and it's going to finish. Where are them dots? I don't know if you can see them, but it's going to finish there, so it's in line with this wall here coming through here. So we just need to do a little external cut to finish it off. So I've already got 2 cut-offs from what we've been doing so far. So I want that like that. Let's have a look. So we want it to finish like that. So that's what we're after. So we'll use these cut-offs as a template. So we need to do 1600, and the bit that sticks out the most is the top part. So we're going to finish that at 16. So we need to mark this up 16. Get that, so that'll go like that, and then we want to be cutting to get the saw. We put it on as a guider, it's going to be that way, so this one here, this 45. So all we're going to do now is we're going to mark this, put this front. Just want to be some, take your time and get it right on the mark. Back a little bit. Yeah, that's it. Like that, and then we've got the other piece, just going to go like that. And all we need to do is we need to cut that straight up like that, and that'll give us this corner piece. So that's what the corner looks like. I've just put a bit of tape on just to hold it in position while we stick it on. Yeah, so one tip I would give is if you're doing the corner cuts, the straight, if you're putting them up like I am, with the joint, don't cut the straight bit, always cut the angled bit, because you can always fill it with a bit of filler if you're out slightly. If you're out on your straights, you're just going to show a mile, and you don't want to be doing that, so always measure and just cut that twice if you have to. But if you start cutting that end, it just you'll see it straight away. Unless on some coving I normally cut them like sort of like that, straight on an angle. You can do it that way, but it's hard with this stuff. So you're better off cut your angle, keep your straight bit straight, then you know you're going to get it put up. So that's it, it's a couple of days later and painter's been and put a base coat on it. So yeah, all corners are looking nice. And we've got it ending here. So it ends over this end, this is a stop end, and then the tiles are going to go straight up to that, so it'll give a nice straight line down. That's why coving stops, because tiles are going to touch the ceiling over there. But yeah, that's pretty much it guys for this one. I'll see you in the next one.